Hello everyone. In this video, I am describe your Git and GitHub. What is difference Git and GitHub? Every person confused. What is GitHub and what is Git? What is GitHub and what is Git? GitHub, on other hand, is platform built around Git that provide hosting for Git repository. It adds features like a web-based interface, collaboration tools, pull request, and issue tracking, making it easier to developer to work together and manage project. Git. Git is version control system and that track change to file and manage revisions in a project. It allow developer to work on different versions of a project simultaneously. Git basically track history, work together, and team foundation. Sir, you are one team working as a team. Why use Git? Git is free, open source, super fast, and scalable, cheap branching and merging. Basically, Git is the tool. Basically, initially, Git is tool while GitHub is a service that use Git as a user tool, and Git provide your service. Use a Git. Git use provide service on a GitHub. Okay, I hope you understand.